Okay, hello everyone. This is Kritarth Academy, and today we are demonstrating a speaking session of IELTS with Ekta Singh. She is our IELTS academic module student, and we will see how speaking of range 7 to 8 can be done, and this will help you to prepare a lot. And you can even emphasize on the four things like coherence, cohesion, grammar, vocabulary. Apart from that, fluency and pronunciation. At the end, we will again discuss. We will give her feedback, and even we will tell about her bands also. Okay. So let's start this thing. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm good. How about you?
I'm good. Thank you. So, what's your full name?
My full name is Ekta Singh.
Okay. How do you spell your name?
I spell my name Ektasingh. Ekta Singh.
Okay. So, do you like your name, Ekta?
Yeah, I love my name, and it's so good. People like it's actress name and a producer name, Ekta Kapoor. She's so people they tease me, taunt me with this, but I feel great. Okay, I'm a celebrity.
Okay, fine. So, where do you come from?
I came from Bhilai, which is a small town, and it is centrally located in India in the state of Chhattisgarh.
Okay. Fine. So, what do you do, Ekta? Are you working or you are a student?
I'm a student and I'm doing my third year B Pharmacy in Jesus College of Pharmacy, Ooty, and I'm doing my studies to go abroad. Like I'm preparing for IELTS and GRE. In the meanwhile, when I get the free time.
Okay. Now we'll start the speaking session, and now I'm going to ask you some questions related to you.
Okay.
Some general questions.
Okay.
Let us talk about your country first.
Okay.
Do most people live in houses or apartments in your country?
In my country, well, it depends on the place. If you will go to rural area, it will be like row houses because there is more space and to construct the building and all. Meanwhile, if you will go to urban places, there will be apartments. Generally, they are because the population there are so much and people they are coming from villages to get the medical facilities to get job over there, so it is like population is so much, it's drastically increasing.
What people usually do in their free time in your country?
So I feel like people in their free time they pursue their hobbies like gardening, like painting, etc., and reading book novels. And some people they love to explore world, so they will go on tourism and they will do the skydiving, scuba diving, surfing, etc. We have beaches over here.
Okay.
So
what do you enjoy most about living in your country?
well, India is quite religious and linguistic country and metropolitan, so there are several types of religion over here. And the food, mostly I love the food, like different language, different food, different culture. So the different kinds of food you get.
Would you say that your country is a good place to visit?
Yeah, of course, my country is a good place to visit because we have a historical monuments like Taj Mahal, big buildings like Qutub Minar, beaches, mountains, green, nature. So people will love it and it's quite interesting.
Fine. Let us talk about food.
Yeah, sure.
What is your favorite meal?
My favorite meal is dinner because I love to spend time with the all my family member gather together in the dinner table. We will laugh, we'll have a good meal together, and we'll discuss about something, and we'll enjoy with TV.
Okay. Do you prefer to eat out or eat at home?
Well, it's the situation. No one's want to eat outside food, but if you are a student and living outside, if you are hostelite or working apart from your home, so you have to eat outside food. Whether I prefer homemade food because it's nutritious, healthy, and delicious, and instead of eating junk food.
Okay. Are there any traditional meals that you would recommend?
Yeah, there is so many traditional meal that is called potato paratha, aloo paratha in Hindi. So it's a potato smashed and it is cooked with quite of spices, and it is put it inside in the dough atta, and we make it like a chapati, and so many butters is put it over there, and we eat it with a side dish called tomato chutney.
How have people's eating habits changed in your country?
Yeah, it's drastically evolved because of modern civilization here. So people, they more prefer the processed food, the KFC and all, the junk food you can say. So it's not very healthy, but people, they don't have time, so they are looking for ready to eat food like cup Maggie, etc.
Okay. Now we'll start the second round.
Okay.
You will be given a topic and you will have to talk about that topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
You will get 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. Okay. So here is the paper and pencil. You can make some notes to help
Okay.
you as you wish. And your question is, you have to describe a television program that you watch. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Start.
Okay, so I've watched a TV serial that is Stranger Things in ABX channel. So it's about action and adventure by the four students studying in a Washington district. Okay, so it's they're doing schooling and they are quite innovative and learning. So they are talking about the monster and demogorgon. They will play and suddenly they will be affected by the monsters and all. So one of the friend whose name is Bay, so he will be affected by that, and then they will be supporting and his mother and all the family member, all the they will, because the friend will be affected, he will be trapped in a house, but people, they will not be able to see because it's the 3D. It will be depending upon the dimension. We will live upside, it's about upside and down, they are talking about upside and down. So it's about how they will help the friend to come out from that with the idea, according to the laboratory and all, with the help of the policeman. He will help so much, and there will be a superstitious girl. She will come, her name is Mars. She will come from the laboratory and she will tell how they can bring up their friend and how they will do help them. And it's about, I love to watch adventure and action movies because drama and emotion does not play very much role. You should just be very conscious about seeing what the reality is showing you. And I will recommend the people to watch this serial because it's quite inspiring and new innovative ideas are coming through.
Thank you.
Okay.
Fine. So, what kind of television programs you generally watch on TV?
I watch the action and adventurous type of TV serials and dramas, which quite inspire me.
Do you like to watch TV alone or with family members?
Well, the thing which I like, my parents don't like, so it's I like to watch alone.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So, we just talked about a television program that you usually watch. Now,
Yeah.
we will talk more about this. I will ask you some general questions related to advertisements and the films. Okay?
Okay.
How do you feel about the amount of advertisements on television?
So I feel advertisement are very annoying and it makes the people lack of interest which they are watching. Before, sometimes I was watching a TV serial. In that 1 minute the serial will come and 2 minutes the advertisement will come, which will make me so annoying and it will irritate me so much. So I will lose the hope and I will just off the TV and I will move because it's repetitively coming.
Okay. In what ways has television advertisements changed in the last 10 years?
So the television advertisement has drastically changed because like they have a good background music, and most of the celebrities, the TV celebrities, the sports stars, they are coming and um, they are giving representing the products which have been marketed. So they will give a nice speech so people will buy because people inspire them, they are their real life role models, so they will buy. That's
Okay.
the idea behind this.
Okay. So don't you think that the advertisements are more emotional nowadays? Do you agree to
Yeah,
this?
I do agree with this because they will bring a mom and small child. uh, She will start crying, or she will make the mom. She will make her happy. She will give the Kinder Joy, so she will be happy, and then there will be one toy coming. It's all drama.
Yeah. So to what extent are people influenced by the advertisements they see?
People are more influenced by seeing the drama, especially the child. The thing they will not know it's nutritious or it's healthy, like Maggie and all, they are being advertised so much. And the thing which are very expensive, some people's, like poor people's, they can't afford it, but by seeing the children's, they are stubborn, they will not try to eat something else, they just want this, so they are influencing the youth.
Yes. So don't you think there are some people who are not influenced? They are using their minds.
Yeah, some people are very clever. They know what's the scene going behind this, so they will not buy, they will not purchase.
Okay. Now let us talk about the effect of films on society.
Okay.
Why people still enjoy going to cinema to watch film?
Well, cinema is evergreen. Everyone from youth to adult to the senator's phase, they will go, they will watch movies because it's the time where they will see drama, emotions together, and it's time of family gathering.
Yeah.
So some movies they will quite inspire them, like biography, autopics, etc.
Okay. What sort of influence can films have on people?
Well, it's have everything is having two sides of the coin, so it's have advantage and disadvantage too. So the advantage is it will give the innovative ideas, the new technologies we can use over the things, like if someone is missing and all, they will use the transmitter and they can detect where the people is, they can use GPS system and all. Whereas the crime is also increasing by seeing the mischief activities in the movies, so they will tell how they will give the idea to the culprits how they will increase.
Yes.
Okay, and over then they will give the ideas to youth for studying and all,
Okay.
so it will influence them.
Should filmmakers be held responsible for the impact their films have on people?
Yeah, they do because most of the people they are watching them, they are admiring them. They are the real more. They think like kids, like teenagers and all. They think they are their real life role model. The clothings and all, they should think before because everyone will copy them. Like they think if I will do this, I will be stud. But it's not like that. Before presenting, they should think what will be the impact all over in the country
Okay.
by doing this.
Okay. So this is the end of the speaking test, Ekta. It was really good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So we just watched the speaking session held with Ekta Singh. She's a student, and everything was very good. If you talk about the fluency, pronunciation, coherence, cohesion, vocabulary, everything was good. But there was a scope of using some more vocabulary. Okay, some more words, relevant vocabulary could have been used. And at few places, I think you were off topic for a few places. Overall, I will give this speaking as a band of 7.5 because of the shortcomings in every area. Okay, grammar was perfect. There was no issue with the grammar, fluency, pronunciation, and coherence as well as cohesion. Okay.